welcome. In today's video, some fire signage which needs to go up and some that needs to be changed. We recently had a fire risk assessment carried out. A few minor details were picked up. One of the ones was that these fire doors are held back magnetically, so when the fire alarm sounds the doors release and close. The sign on the door just says fire door. These signs need to be just changed to automatic fire door, keep clear. We do have a lift, it only comes up to one floor. It was noticed that there was no sign on the lift saying in the event of a fire do not use. So I've already fitted those, so I've done one upstairs, one downstairs in the glass door. It was also noted in the fire risk assessment that these fire doors, again automatic ones, they're magnetically held, didn't have any signage on them at all. So we're going to be fitting that signage. I thought I'd start with one of the easiest jobs to do, which is a straightforward swap over. So this is the new sign, which says automatic fire door keep clear, and we're replacing this where it just says fire door. The first thing we're going to do is just remove the old sign. Just take it out with the battery drill. And what tends to happen now is that we find that that's stuck to the paint. I'm just going to use a small screwdriver and a hammer. Loosen it. Not hitting it hard, or just loosen it off. Just a little bit of paint stuck where the screws were, that's all it was. And that's it. Ready for the new sign. Now we're just going to open this with a pair of scissors. And it comes with new screws as well. I'm going to use the new screws. Always been a policy of mine. I never use second-hand screws. And we just put the plate on and get the screws started a little bit. Let's just get a little bit of a start on there. So what I found is the new plate is actually slightly larger. So we'll go in there. That's it. Okay, that's that one done. I've got that side to do, which I'm going to do now, and then we're going to move on to the other set of doors down there where there are no signs fitted at all. That's that done. On these two doors here, there was no signage on there at all. So what I've done is I've taken the measurement from the first screw hole from one of the other doors so I can match it onto here. So I just need to measure that out, and it's 47 centimeters down and then 3 centimeters across. Do a little mark there, a mark there. That's my mark for where I'm going to drill it first of all. So I'm going to use my little DeWalt, just an ordinary, and just put a little pilot hole in there. And my screwdriver, just get it started and hold it roughly in place. Right, now that's nice and solid, but I still need to do the other side, so I just want to make sure that it's looking nice and level to me. Go to another little pilot hole on the other side. Screw in there. Job's done. Gonna do this side now. And that's that done. That's both those doors done. The other two doors done. So the next job I've got is to fit a couple of fire exit signs over 2 doors downstairs. Another thing that was suggested by the fire risk assessor was that these 2 sets of double doors behind me have fire exit signs over them. So what we've got is the fire exit sign with the arrow pointing straight down, a picture of a little man running, fire exit. Yeah. So that gives us an indication as to where we're going. So straight out through those doors. We're using double-sided tape on the back, and we're just going to stick them straight onto the wall. We are going to put them straight up there, tiny little gap underneath, and fix them straight onto the wall there. We'll start with, we'll take the backing off, which is always, to me, the hardest job. Oh, there we go, got 1 straight away. There we go, 2. So we'll put the sign up, line it up there, just hold it roughly in place and then push it on. Going to do the other one now. Those 2 signs fitted. Hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.